stays in front for, well, it's 75 minutes. Maybe he came a little bit too late.
أرحنا بزا هجم فوتا دمت توصغام صابرمتا معبل سراويت عزراب لو قمدا بتادين كيوم بانوي عدلوم عدا أرحنا بزا هجم فوتا دمت توصغام صابرمتا
Satisfied, delighted. Stage winner.
Biniam Ghirmay, today you've beaten the big fish like Arnaud Demar and Wout van Aert. How was that possible?
Yeah, when I crossed the line, I was just surprised. You know, still with 2 months ago with the hard crash, I just don't have enough time to train to build up the shape, but today was amazing. Yeah, I'm just surprising even myself, just going crazy, yeah.
And if I'm right, you're the first Eritrean winning a stage here in Switzerland at the Tour De Suisse in front of that crowd. What does that mean to you?
Yeah, that means a lot. I don't know, I knew there is nobody winning the Tour De Suisse, but the first time to win in the front of my people was amazing. I'm just so happy.
So you have a little bit time to celebrate with them, or you go back in the tour bus?
No, we still have 6 days to go, so still the race is not over, so I just need to focus for my upcoming days, but next time we celebrate together.
Thank you very much.
It might be best advised not going celebrating with them for a few days. I'd say that's going to be a hell of a party tonight. Yeah, every professional. And of course he's making reference to that big crash in the Tour of Flanders a few months ago. He ended up under a pile of a huge pile of bikes. Took him a while to make the comeback from that, but fared well. He's in good shape.